Hey there, if your outgoing calls are failing and you keep seeing that frustrating call ended message, let's fix it right now. We are going through the step from the easiest to the most effective solution. Phase 1, the quick checks. Start here. These often fix the problem instantly. First, check signal and airplane mode. Look at the top of the screen. Do you have a strong signal? Next, check your quick setting. Make sure airplane mode is off. If it is off, turn it on for about 10 seconds and then turn it back off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the network. Second, a full restart. The classic solution: turn your phone completely off, wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. This resets your phone's connection to the carrier tower. Third, check your account. You might have run out of talk time or your plan may have expired. Quickly check your account balance or plan status with your carrier. Phase 2, SIM card and network setting. If the basics didn't work, let's look at the hardware and network configuration. First, reset your SIM, power down your phone, use the little tool to remove your SIM card tray. Gently take the SIM card out, wipe it lightly with a clean cloth, it might just be dirt, and then place it back securely in the tray. Power the phone back on. Second, check network selection. Go to your phone setting, then go to connections or mobile network. Find network operator or network selection. Make sure it is set to automatic. If it's not, set it to automatic and allow your phone to connect. Phase 3, deep setting check. This setting can accidentally block your calls. First, check call barring. This is a key one. Go back to setting, then find call account or call settings. Look for an option called call barring or call restriction. Tap on it and make absolutely sure that outgoing call is off or disabled. If it's on, you will need a pin from your carrier to turn it off. Second, VoLTE Wi-Fi calling. If you are using VoLTE or Wi-Fi calling, try turning those features off in your mobile network settings. Sometimes these advanced features cause conflicts, especially with a weak data connection. Disable them, restart your phone and try making a standard call. Phase 4, last resort. If nothing else works, try this final step. Reset network setting, go to settings, look for general management of system and find the reset option. Select reset network setting only. This will clear all saved Wi-Fi password and Bluetooth connections, but it will not delete your photos or apps. This often clears any hidden error in your phone's ability to communicate with the tower. Most of the time, resetting the network setting or checking the call barring option fix the call ended issue. I hope one of these solutions worked for you. If it did, so please like the video and please subscribe to my channel.